CLSC Certificate in Library and Information Science టర్మ్ అండ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ మనకు జనవరి సెక్షన్ వాళ్ళకి జూన్లో 2026 ఎగ్జామినేషన్. BLLL 0112 సబ్జెక్ట్ కోడ్, సబ్జెక్ట్ నేమ్ వచ్చేసి డాక్యుమెంట్ ప్రాసెసింగ్ అండ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్. మనకు టైం డ్యూరేషన్ వచ్చేసి 2 hours, మ్యాక్సిమం మార్క్స్ 50. సిఎల్ఎస్సి క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ అనేది ఎంసీక్యూస్లో మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్లో సిఎల్ఎస్సి క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. ఆ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ వచ్చేసి ఎగ్జామ్ మోడ్ సిబిటి టెస్ట్ ఉంది, పేపర్ బేస్డ్ టెస్ట్, పెన్ విత్ బబ్లింగ్ కూడా ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి క్యానాన్ ఆఫ్ రిటైసెన్స్ is a canon of answer verbal plan. Which of the following association was not involved in preparing ACCR? Answer Indian Library Association. GMD is cataloging standards for. Answer for general material destination. Fourth question, class 020 in DDC 19th edition represents library and information science. Which scheme of classification was designed in 1993? Answer CC colon classification. Sixth question, which section follows the imprint section in AACR in an entry? Note section. Which of the following is not true of notation in classification? Answer, it represents the author of the book. Eighth question, the number of 542 in DDC geographical division represents. Answer Uttar Pradesh. Ninth question, the section mentioning the call number of a book in classified catalog is called leading section. 10th one, section undertakes stock verification in library. Maintenance section undertakes on stock verification. 11th question, the online edition of DDC is known as WebDavi. 12th question, AACR1 was published in 1965. Answer 1. 13th question, a class index entry in a classified catalog is derived using. Answer chain procedure. 14th question. NT and BT are used in thesaurus. Pentanal cataloging is a cataloging in publication. Precis was devised by 4th Derek Austin. 17th. Who is known as the father of modern library classification? Melville Davey. Answer 3. 18th. AACR 2R was published in 1988. Option 4. 19th. The Library of Congress filling rules was published in 1980. Option 1. Which kind of notation is used in CC? Option 2. Mixed. RDA stands for Resource Description and Access. Answer 1. 22 question. Dash are designed two books as a result of library classification. Class number. Option 3. Which of the following is not an example of classification scheme? CC classification catalog. 24. Dash is the first freely facilitated scheme of classification. Classification. Option 3. Volume 3 in DDC 19th edition contains. Option 4. Relative index. A library catalog is a or an dash to the collection of the library. Key. Option 3. 27. Which of the following statement is correct in unit card system? Answer. Option 1. The description of a book in the main entry is separated in added entries. 28th. In which order the following bibliographical elements are given in the main entry of a book in AACR 2 or? Option వచ్చేసి 2. ఫస్ట్ వన్ కాల్ నెంబర్, ఆథర్, టైటిల్, ఎడిషన్, పబ్లికేషన్. 29th. Book index entries are prepared under the names of. Option 3. First, author, editor, translator. 13th question. DDC 18th edition is in dash volumes. 3 volumes. 31 question. Size of catalog card is dash inches. Option 1 3 into 5. 32 question. First and second indentation in a catalog card are vertical. Option 2. Which of the following is not an example of metadata schema? 33 question answer option CCC. EC stands for expansive classification. Option 3. 35th question. There are dash levels of description in AACR. 3. Option 2. Which of the following guides is not used in stocks of a library? Option 4. Book guides. The tracing section is a classified catalog is present on the back of the card. Canons for terminology guide the dash classificationist. Uniterm system of indexing was developed by Mortimer Curie. 14th. RT in a thesaurus stands for related term. CRG stands for classification research group. Option 1. 42 question. The 3 planes of work given in Ranganathan are idea, verbal and nonational. Option 2. 43. Science, arts, science and social studies are formed as a result of knowledge classification. A person who classifies documents is called. Option 2. Classifier. 45. OPAC stands online public access catalog. Option 1. 46. Which of the following scheme was designed to create a universal bibliography? Option 4. UDC. Which of the following is the chief source of information for cataloging a printed book? Option title page. 48. Which of the following is not canon of characteristics? Answer canon of similarity. Bibliographic classification first edition was established in 1935. Option 3. 50th question, last question. UDC was published in. Option 2. 1905. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్తో నెక్స్ట్ ఎంసీక్యూస్తో నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో కలుద్దాం.